What's going on, guys? Well, I'm super bummed. Well, I'm pissed off. That's the truth. I'm pissed off because something happened with the truck. It was unexpected. So the very, very long story short, I want to drive my truck up on that hill. And so because there's a bunch of snow up there, I want to put it in four-wheel drive. So when I got to the road up there, I switched it to four-wheel drive, and there's an issue. So let me turn the truck back on. It'd be great if it was gone. See the hazard flashing? So no, it's not gone. So there's an issue engaging four-wheel drive. So when I put it in four-wheel drive, this error came up, made a bunch of warning noises and stuff, so bring it to your dealer immediately. I cancel the message. You know, obviously I still have the warning light blinking. The second I do anything else, it comes right back up. There's an immediate problem. So this is me, just trying to engage it into four-wheel drive. Something happened. And there's a lot of links in the chain here. Could be the the motor that actually switches, the actuator or whatever. It could be, I actually called the dealer. They're totally booked today. I'm not obviously home, so it's kind of a problem. But yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on, have them look at it. Like I said, there's a bunch of different things. The guy on the phone in the service department said that, did you get gas recently? Because sometimes if you don't have like a seal on there, this can affect the four-wheel drive. I'm like, all right, so either he's stupid or I'm stupid, because that doesn't make any sense at all. Whether there's an evap problem, but maybe, he works in the service department for the dealership, so I'm just going to assume he knows what he's talking about. He also said, if the battery is not strong, which the battery works perfectly fine, that obviously it's not going to let the actuator or whatever it is, switch it over. But whatever the problem is, it's a problem. I have to say, there's a silver lining here. I wanted to essentially go out, kind of off-road in the snow, because I want to burn a bunch of cardboard. My entire truck bed's filled with cardboard. I'm having a hard time throwing it out. It's just, it's too little, takes too long. I have to wait a week for garbage day. So I just wanted to burn it. I figured that was the best way. Go out in the middle of the field to make sure, obviously there's snow everywhere. I didn't want to start a fire or anything, so I'm doing the responsible thing, literally in the middle of the field, so that anything that floats up around, it's not going to light anything else on fire. So the silver lining is that at least it happened now. You can see, it's not, there's no storm or anything. So it kind of scares me, because the next time I would have used my four-wheel drive would be when we have a bunch of snow, and I could have this problem stuck somewhere during a storm. So that's no bueno. That's no good to me. But it's great that it happened today. So yeah, that's the current issue. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to get it towed or if I'm going to drive it there, because I asked him, I said, if I drive it, because it drives straight fine. Like let's see, I'll put it in the drive. All right, give it some gas. Totally fine. Doesn't seem like anything's wrong at all. Put it in reverse. Reverse seems to, it works fine. Before it seemed a little crunchy, but that could have been the snow and ice that I was on. So it seems to be functioning fine. So I'm assuming that I'm fully in two-wheel drive. But obviously, I bought a Tacoma Offroad so that I can go in four-wheel drive. So obviously I can't just accept two-wheel drive. So now it's going to go to the dealer. I'm assuming and hoping that everything's covered under the warranty. I got 24,000 miles on it, as you can see there. But just car trouble sucks, Now, while it's at the dealership, maybe they could fix the other, windshield washer fluid squirter nozzle. That'd be cool. That'd be a bonus. But either way, I got to get the truck back up and running. It's wintertime now. It's on. This is why I paid an absorbent amount of money for this truck, because of the capability. And right now it has no capability. So that is a huge bummer. So to be continued, ... All right, I'm back. We're looking at my rental. 50 bucks a day. Obviously I have to leave the truck here. It's a Saturday, by the way. So I was visiting family. I have extended family that were coming down. I haven't seen in a long time. So I was excited to see them tomorrow. They can't, obviously, today's booked, so they can't even look at it, and tomorrow they're closed because it's Sunday, so they're not even going to get to it Monday, so I needed a car. I was going to have my family drive me all the way back, but it's really far, so I just, took this instead. So until further ado, but I did mention the washer fluid sprayer. I said, you know, since it's here, please fix that too. So we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. All right, see you guys later.